episode 23 of Fist of the North Star, 1 point. The keyword for this episode is going to be humanity. This episode is the one in which the wolf gang is introduced. So we have these dudes that look and act like wolves, and it's important to notice what is exactly going on concerning those dudes' humanity. Now, they're human beings, of course, but they act like animals. Now, what's going on? Here's an interesting thing. You must remember that these dudes are very emotional. In the wrong place. As in, they attacked those two dudes bringing food to their village, and when the whole food is burnt and the truck blows up and so on, they start crying and they incriminate those two dudes, telling them, what are we going to do now? We need to eat to survive, and they're brothers to each other. They really do seem to have these very fundamental human qualities, actually. But they're doing these, of course, in a wrong way. Like, what about those two dudes bringing food to their village? And what they do is unfair, unjust. So what's going on? Now, of course, they represent wolves, or they're represented by wolves, not sure. But also, there are also animals who are known to have such qualities. So here's what I'd like to say in this video. As human beings, I believe we have some animal traits. Animals may share such traits with us, but we're also special. We have something else. Now, we are animals ourselves, but I think that the way we're special is that there is something in our cognition, let's say, that makes us transcendent, or that may allow us to transcend from being a mere animal. And I would say that that is the spirit. So it's the spirit behind the body. Remember, we have talked a lot about the fact that criminals can't see what's behind the apparent. Now, these wolf dudes cannot see the spirit behind the body. So they have these human traits that even animals have, and so they seem to be innocent in a way, which is why, by the way, in this episode, Kenshiro doesn't kill them. It's from the next episode that he starts being the Kenshiro that we know with them. But in this episode, even Kenshiro seems to be like, oh, what the hell is going on with these dudes? But that's basically what's going on. So we have a very different kind of criminal, not all the bandits that we saw so far, but it's like these dudes are basically imposters, faking being human beings, which they are in reality anatomically, but then they're mere animals, claiming to be human beings and complaining, telling the good people, aren't you human? We have to eat to survive, but they're doing the evil things. And they treat the rest of human beings like animals. So that's it. We're going to keep it short. So that's why the keyword for this episode was humanity, because basically these people are people who fake being human and who in reality don't know what a real human being is.